Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, I'm going to start the new chapter, that is, chapter 8 of your geography book, India Climate, Vegetation, and Wildlife. You read in newspaper daily and watch on TV or hear others talking about weather. You must know that weather is about day-to-day changes in atmosphere. This means whatever the changes are taking day to day, that is called as weather. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, and sunshine, etc. These days, you must have seen the days are hot, the nights are cold. That means, like in a day, temperature is changing or it's quite shiny, some days it is very cloudy. For example, as such, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm cloth. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together you feel cold without woolen clothes. When it is very windy and chilly, you would like to have something hot to eat. This means that we have seasons and we have climates. This means that there is summer season and winter season. In summer season, you feel the need of AC, cooler, and you constantly keep feeling like you want to drink something cold. Same way, for 3 to 4 months, the days are quite cold and you need to wear woolen clothes. Whereas when I talk about changes in day to day, like every day there are changes, that is called as weather. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, which is also called as winter. Winter season starts from December and lasts till February. So, this is the month of January and you can feel that it is really cold. The minimum temperature may also reach to 6 to 7 degrees and maximum temperature could be 21 or 22. During winter season, you feel the need of wearing woolen clothes which protect you from cold windy waves. The next season is hot weather season, which is also called as summer season, which starts from the month of March and remains till May or June. In the summer season, you feel like eating ice cream, you feel the need of AC, cooler, you wear light color clothes. In summer season, you love to eat ice creams and would love to drink cold drinks because it gives you a relief from hot summer days. Then the next season is southwest monsoon season, which is also called as rainy season, which starts from June and ends by September. You know, it is quite rainy, and these days you remember you used to get, because of heavy rain, you used to get rainy days. Yes, when the school used to be off those days, when it used to rain heavily. Then the next season is season of retreating monsoon, that is autumn, October and November. During autumn season, it is drizzling a little bit and you feel little coldness in the air. Next topic is cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. So, in India also, you must have seen in Jammu Kashmir, in these areas, Himachal, it's snowfall because the sun rays do not reach directly, it's not vertical, so that is responsible for dropping down of the temperature. Hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature becomes very high. Hot and dry winds called low blow during the days. In the summer season, you must have seen that the sunlight is too bright, and when you get outside from your home, you get sunburns because the sunlight is falling vertically, the sun rays are falling vertically in these regions. Temperature becomes too high. There are some areas in India where the temperature goes 47, 48 degrees Celsius as well. And the hot and dry wind which blows during the daytime is called as Lu. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal toward the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountains barrier, rainfall occurs. So, during rainy season, you can see that the air which is blowing from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal carries moisture with them, and when it strikes to the mountain, the rainfall occurs which is responsible for rainy season. So the winds blowing from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal is responsible for rainy season. Next is season of retreating monsoons or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to Bay of Bengal. That means now winds are blowing from the mainland to Bay of Bengal. This is the season of retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfalls in this season. You can also say that the monsoon is ending up. So, when the monsoon is ending up, it also causes a rainfall in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. However, the climate is about the average weather condition. That means it is not too hot, not too cold, which have been measured over many years. When we talk about the term monsoon, monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoon means adequate rain and a bountiful crops. That means India is dependent on good rainfall, and good rainfall results in good crops. The climate of place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in climate of India. Some part of India may be experiencing heavy rainfall, but in India itself, there could be some part where the less rainfall is experienced because of so many factors like location, altitude, distance from sea, and relief. We'll be discussing more about in online class. Thank you so much for watching.